Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Days Gone game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your difficulty setting or the difficulty level within your gameplay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Days Gone on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, you can either continue playing from wherever you last left off, or even from the main menu. In order to change your difficulty settings, go ahead and click on Options. From Options, you will need to go into Gameplay. And now within the Gameplay option, at the very beginning, you will see the difficulty settings. You are allowed to choose your difficulty while you start your new game. So no matter which difficulty level you choose, you can decrease based on the level that you have set. If you wish to increase the difficulty level, then you will need to start a new game altogether. After choosing your desired difficulty level, just press the escape button and your settings will be saved. After this, you can continue playing with your difficulty settings lowered. And as mentioned before, in order to increase the difficulty setting, you will need to start a new game altogether and choose the higher difficulty setting that you wish. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to decrease your difficulty level on the Days Gone PC game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next one.